Hello friends, welcome to the TechLizard channel. So friends, today I will talk about the BenQ EX3210U gaming liquid crystal display. So friend, BenQ announced a 31.5-inch 4K gaming liquid crystal display EX3210U, and friend, it supports a refresh rate of 144Hz, and friend, the liquid crystal panel is an anti-glare and in-plane switching IPS technology with low reflection, and the high dynamic range is compatible with VESA Display HDR 600, and additionally there are 3 game modes: FPS, RPG and racing, as well as a light tuner that adjusts the screen's brightness in 20 stages, a black equalizer that enhances vision in dark settings, a fine adjustment of color vividness, and it has features such as color vibrance that give it 3-dimensional setting, and the fine adjustment of color vividness, and it has features such as color vibrance that give it a 3-dimensional appearance. And the primary specifications are a response time of 1 millisecond MPRT and 2 millisecond GtoG, a brightness of 300 cadmium per meter square and 600 cadmium meter square with HDR, and a contrast ratio of 1000 Gem1, color gamut of Adobe RGB 99%, display P3 98%, display color gamut of about, and it has a 1.07 billion colors, 178-degree horizontal or vertical viewing angle, FreeSync Premium Pro-compliant display synchronization technology is available, and HDMI 2.1x2, DisplayPort 1.4x1, USB 3.0x5, upstream into 1, downstream into 4, and built-in 2W into 2 plus 5W woofer, 2.5-inch treVolo speaker are included, and external measurements are width of 726.7 mm, depth of 269.9 mm, height of 487.4 to 587 mm, and it will be comes with weight about 9.5 kg, and it will be comes with 3 years warranty. And the device has a specialized remote control that enables you to adjust various settings remotely. So that if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.